My good people, we are here to celebrate progress. And nothing exemplifies progress more than the innovations made by the two greatest living scientists, Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla. But this particular moment belongs to Tesla. Thanks to his genius, you are about to behold a sight mankind has never seen before. Mr. Tesla, tell us what we are about to witness.
With the press of a button on this very stage, we will leave the old for a modern age. It's the end of an era, it's a turn of a page forever.
With the press of a button, all the world will change. From the family farm to the mountain range, we will light the night with a bold and strange endeavor.